Now let's start attaching our application to our Facebook page. We'll click on Get Started. To connect our Facebook app to our Facebook page, we need to set up a webhook. And to do so, we have a few requirements there. First of all, the website server has to have an active SSL certificate. This is actually one of the mandatory Facebook requirements when you're setting up a bot. And we will need also a script that will verify our webhook and which will work with the messages afterwards that our bot will receive. So now we need to download the repository that contains the script that verifies the webhook and helps us control the bot. To do so, use the command line. As you can see, I have opened it up in my desktop folder bot. So what you can do, you can just simply copy the path in the folder section and just paste it in the command prompt. This will open it up and it will make sure that the repository is being downloaded in the right place. Now copy the link to the composer and just hit return. Now the repository has been downloaded. Let's go to another URL. It's a resource of another developer that has posted a URL with the default code that controls the bot and gives it the kind of basic commands. So let's do that. Let's go to our bot folder and create an index.php file. Let's edit it and paste in all the code that we just copied. The only thing that we need to do here is we just need to type in the verify token. We can name it whatever you want. I'll just type in verify me. Now go back to your Facebook app page and generate a token. Copy the token that you have there. Go back to your index.php file and paste it into the token field. And now let's upload all the files that we have downloaded and edited to our secure server. And now we can finally set up a webhook that connects our app to our page. Go to your Facebook app page, click on Set Up Webhook. Type in the URL to your bot. Make sure you type it in correctly and make sure you finish it with the slash. Type in the verify token that you've entered into your index.php file. For me, it's verify me. Click all the checkboxes there. There you go. Now the webhook is set up, we can finally attach our page to the app. You go here, click on your Facebook page, and click subscribe. There you go. So now it's tied up. And let's see how it works there. Let's type in text. There you go. We received our reply. This is a simple text message. And that means our bot is connected to our Facebook page perfectly. Basically, it is already working now in a demo version, of course. Only you can see it, the developer of it. So this is only a first small step, and see you in the next lecture.